There was one device I really wanted to revisit this year. It's the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra 5G, which just so happened to arrive today. Not only that, we have the Mystic White model, which I have yet to see in person as I previously owned the gold. Samsung does one heck of a job packaging these up these days with much appreciated recycled inserts tightly wrapped around the device for added assurance that it arrived safely. While we don't have a Note 21 Ultra yet just this year, I'm pretty excited to use the Note 20 Ultra again, especially considering all the updates that dropped this year, bringing it many of the same features that the S21 Ultra currently has. While shooting this video, I also shot a behind the scenes YouTube Shorts video for this unboxing. Don't forget to subscribe and check that out as well. I'll leave a link above and in the description. Upon unboxing, you're greeted with a device which we'll briefly set aside. Checking out the full contents of the box, you actually still receive a charging brick with this, as the S21 series was the beginning of an end for charging bricks in the box, but also nice to see Samsung color match this with the white fast charging brick and corresponding USB Type-C cable. Almost forgot about the included not so great screen protector with the comical fingerprint reader cut out. Tearing off the plastic is so satisfying on any new device, and even more so unveiling this gorgeous Mystic White on the Note 20 Ultra. Right away, I love the build and feel of this Note. The silver accents look awesome while not showing nearly any fingerprints, which is also much appreciated. The silver camera array looks so good. Looking forward to the photos this takes. Stay tuned for that video coming soon. Then of course we have that lovely included S Pen, which I have significantly missed on some of the latest Samsung devices, more so just having a place for the pen to live on the device. Samsung nailed the precision tip with this pen series as well. It just works so well for so many use cases. It's still as clicky and awesome as I recall. I've really missed the Samsung Galaxy Note 20 Ultra, and while this is a pretty short unboxing, I wanted to take you all on this journey as I dive back into the Note series and see how it still holds up, as we Note fans are still holding out potentially for a future upgrade to this series. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below, or what you might like to see featured in my next Note video. Thank you for watching, take care, and stay safe.